Salads are a great way to add in some vegetables to your meals, and they're so easy and simple to prepare. In this recipe, we are going to be making some cabbage and carrot salad, which is going to turn out flavorful, crunchy, well seasoned, and the best part is you can meal prep, keep it in the fridge, and enjoy along the week. You're going to need some cabbage, carrots, cashew nuts. I have vinegar, olive oil, black pepper, and salt. The recipe is that simple. So we're going to start off by shredding our cabbage, and I've already washed the outside, so it's nice and clean. So I'm going to cut into quarters. Place one quarter aside and then shred the other quarter. I'm going to transfer to a bowl. You're going to thinly shred your cabbage, and I still have some leftover cabbage which I'm going to be using for another recipe. So don't throw out your remaining cabbage. So now I'm going to shred my carrots, and I have a very multi-purpose vegetable peeler that has so many functions, and I'm going to be using this grater to grate my carrots. So I've already peeled my carrots. You're going to pick your carrot and place it 45 degrees and shred your carrot into long strips just like this. And be careful when you have a small piece of carrot just like this, because you don't want to break your fingers. Take my next and repeat until you're done with the rest of the carrot. For this recipe, I'm using 5 medium carrots. When picking out carrots or buying carrots, I usually bite into one so that I can check if it's a little bit sweet. There are some carrots which are just stale and tasteless. Really don't like that. This is around 1¼ cup of carrots. You can snack on the remaining carrots. So now we are going to transfer into our bowl as well. Add in some salt and pepper. Then you're going to get in with your hands and massage in the salt together with the black pepper into the cabbage and carrot. The salt is going to remove moisture from the veggies, hence they're going to soften up and become pliable. And also they're going to get well seasoned. So make sure to massage in, check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you can throw in a little bit more salt. So this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, the cabbage was very crunchy. Now it has less moisture, so it's looking very pliable. Next, we are going to be crushing up our cashew nuts. So I have a piping bag, a disposable piping bag. I'm going to transfer in the cashew nuts, and they are roasted. Pick my rolling pin and bash the cashew nuts into small pieces. Pick my bowl, transfer in the cashew nuts. As you can see, they're not bashed into small pieces. Then next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add in a teaspoon of white vinegar. You can also add in some apple cider, coriander. Mix up my salad until all the olive oil and the rest of the ingredients are fully combined into the cabbage and carrots. Just look how gorgeous the salad is looking. You can substitute the cashew nuts with peanuts and also substitute coriander with parsley if you're not a huge fan of coriander. So once done, you're going to refrigerate your salad for around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes before serving, and it's going to be chilled and delicious, and all the flavors are going to be infused into the salad. So this is a nice way that you can serve up some delicious salad as a side dish, or you can enjoy the salad as it is because it is quite nutritious and healthy, and everyone is going to enjoy